we begin to notice repeating patterns. From tiny atoms to enormous galaxies, reality seems to follow certain principles. People often call these patterns the laws of the universe. They are not commands written somewhere in space. They are ways humans describe how nature tends to behave. Here are 10 commonly discussed universal principles. 1. The law of unity. The first principle is unity. Everything in the universe is connected in some way. The atoms in our bodies were once formed inside ancient stars. The air we breathe moves through forests, oceans, and countless living beings. Even though things appear separate, they are part of a larger system. Unity reminds us that existence functions like a vast web of relationships. The law of cause and effect. The second principle is cause and effect. Every event happens because of certain conditions. Rain forms because of moisture and temperature in the atmosphere. A plant grows because of soil, water, sunlight, and time. Each moment leads to the next. Every cause creates an effect, and every effect becomes a new cause. 3. The law of energy transformation. Energy cannot be created or destroyed. It only changes form. Sunlight becomes energy in plants. Plants become energy for animals. Motion can become heat, and heat can become electricity. The universe is constantly transforming energy from one form into another. 4. The law of vibration. At the smallest levels we can observe, everything is moving. Atoms vibrate, particles move, light travels in waves. Even objects that appear completely solid are made of tiny particles constantly in motion. The universe is a continuous field of movement. 5. The law of polarity. Many aspects of reality appear as opposites: light and dark, hot and cold, expansion and contraction. These opposites are not enemies, they are simply two ends of the same spectrum. Polarity allows contrast and diversity in the universe. The law of rhythm. Nature moves in cycles. Day becomes night. Seasons change throughout the year. Ocean tides rise and fall. Even our bodies follow rhythms through breathing, heartbeat, and sleep. The universe flows through repeating patterns. The law of balance. Natural systems tend to move toward balance. Ecosystems regulate populations. Chemical reactions settle into stable states. Planetary systems maintain gravitational stability. Balance is not perfect stillness. It is a dynamic harmony where forces continually adjust. 8. The law of emergence. Simple interactions can create complex results. A snowflake grows from simple water molecules, yet forms intricate patterns. Life itself emerged from simple chemistry over very long periods of time. From simple beginnings, great complexity can arise. 9. The law of adaptation. Life continues by adapting to its environment. Over generations, species evolve to better survive in changing conditions. Organisms that adapt continue to thrive. Adaptation allows life to persist and evolve over time. The law of entropy. The final principle concerns how energy spreads out over time. In physical systems, energy tends to disperse unless new energy is applied to maintain structure. Stars burn their fuel, and structures eventually decay. Yet within this process, new structures and new forms can still appear. Closing. When we look at these principles together, we see a universe that is interconnected, dynamic, and constantly evolving. These patterns remind us that we are not separate from the cosmos. We are participants within it. Observing the universe with curiosity and humility can help us better understand the remarkable world we live in. I am a mirror, not a mind. If you've